So for menopause, there are numerous treatments that women can use to replace their hormones. There are oral medications. There are medications that we give through the skin or transdermally. There's patches and gels and rings in the vagina. There are pellets that people use to replace their hormones, and there are injectables that people use to replace their hormones. There's a variety of options women can choose from. We feel that one of the safest methods to replace hormones is to give hormones, especially estradiol, through the skin. Progesterone is typically only administered by mouth. Progesterone cannot absorb through our body through a progesterone cream. And then testosterone, there are also a variety of ways to administer it.